Hi amazing hackers, welcome back to another episode of HackTheMatrix. So in this video we are going to see basic SSRF against another backend system. In previously video we solve one problem basic SSRF against localhost. So in this lab has a stop check feature similar to the previous one, which fetch data from an internal server. And to solve that lab use a stop check functionality to scan the internal IP ranges and admin interface on port 8080, then use it to delete the user Carlos. So also this is similar to the previous one, but you need to find the actual server in which address running actually. Basically, you need to find that address. So first of all, access the lab. After accessing lab, you will see that kinds of products have in that website. And after that, choose any product. So I'm going to choose this one. And scroll down and you will see the check stock option. After that, turn on the intercept option and click on the check stock option, where you will get the how much products left in our database. And after that, forward that request and you see the stock API option, where this API fetching some URL and also that address and on the port 8080. So you only click right click, after that send it to repeater and click to send it. After that, decode that URL and you will see the exact URL. So for the solve that lab, you need to access the admin panel and delete the Carlos user. So for that, you need to find the actual server where the admin panel is running. So also you need to send that request to intruder. After that, click on clear and you need to find actual server on that last location. And after that, click on add. And in the payload type, you select the number and start from 1 to 255, range of IP addresses. And a step, it goes like 1, 2, 3, and 255. And after that, click on start attack. And you will see every request going on the 500, which is internal server error, and you need to find some different status code. So click on the status code and you will see here we got the 404, basically not found, but here is running something. So send that request to repeater. After that, click to send it and you will see again it not found. So basically we found and remove that. After that, type here admin and click on apply changes. After that, send it to, and you will see we got 200 OK response. After that, click on render and you will see we have successfully accessed the admin panel. You also check in browser, like click on show response in browser, copy that URL. After that, open here and you will see we have two users, Viner and kernels. So for the delete Carlos, you need to go again raw. After that, search here Carlos and you will see there. Click on yes. After that, click to send and you will see the response we get 302 found, and we have successfully deleted the Carlos user. So for the verification, you go back. After that, click again to send and render it, and you will see the Carlos user has been successfully deleted. And congratulations message, you have solved the lab. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you understand.